Good day, guys. Welcome to this channel. It's your boy Bright Girl once more. So if you're just tuning into this channel, I would like you to subscribe. Click the subscribe button below to get more videos as I upload them. So what I would like to do right now is teach you guys how to change wall thickness. There are various types of wall thickness. So today's video I'm going to teach you guys how to change wall thickness. So we're going to start by going to settings, default settings, the settings dialog. Then we go down to this where you have your wall thickness. So here we have the wall thickness. If you highlight on it to show up. Okay, let me see. Wall thickness. So you can either the wall thickness we are used to is 150, 225, or thereabout, whichever one I want to use. So let me see. I'm using 225. And then for the wall height, let me say it's 3600. So maybe I can do a video teaching you guys more about wall default settings because it's very broad. Then this is for the DPC, probably 450 I can say, and I click OK, and then I draw. You can draw and see that this wall thickness is bigger than this other one. Let me zoom in. So you see this one is bigger than this other one in terms of thickness. So why? Because this one I set it to 150mm thickness and this is 225mm thickness. So if you want to still make changes to it, I can just highlight on this wall and then I still go to the settings dialog and I click on my change wall thickness to 150mm. 150mm, there you have it, and then I go down and see it automatically changes and reduces the width. And so you can do settings and there are many other settings you can do here. The model, where you have the colors, the wall colors, you have the wall colors, and then this side you have the listings, you have the tags, and you have everything to do with windows and doors and every other things like that on this point. So if maybe I will do a video talking about how to use wall default settings and the rest of other settings for the objects. Okay, so thank you guys for watching today, and if you enjoyed this video, I would like you to click the subscribe button below. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos, and like, comment because I would like to, whatever questions you have, I want to hear them so that I can know where to produce videos and where not to produce videos for. Okay, so I'll do it just for you because I'm serving you guys. Thank you guys for watching today, and just subscribe to this channel. You love the content I produce next time. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.